Hello guys, welcome to Atmos. So Samsung is going to be launching a new smartphone. So they are either going to call it the Galaxy M12 or the Galaxy F12. So pretty much the new thing you're getting here is that it's coming with a very high capacity battery. They are teasing that it will have at least 7,000 milliamps, which is pretty much the biggest battery that I know of that is in a smartphone right now, because 7,000 never really exists in smartphones. You can only see such a huge battery in tablets, but right now they're actually putting it out that this is going to be a big smartphone that would at least have a ton of battery for you to use. So it's going to have a quad camera setup. It's not going to be a flagship level spec device, but it's going to be quite nice for what you are getting. It's going to come with a Snapdragon 450 chipset, as well as a reasonable amount of RAM. You understand, RAM for your performance. It's not going to be the best. It's going to be launched soon, but for now, it's just being rumored that it's something that they are working on to release. So they're either going to call it the M12 or the F12. So once ever it's officially put out there, and once ever it's something that would go on sale, I'll be sure to update you guys and tell you guys whether it's something that you can go out to go purchase. Make sure you follow us on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like our content, and I'm going to see you guys next time.